What did you think of the sensor hub? This solution will not be complete without the help of WisToolBox, and here we're going to introduce to you the new features and benefits that this tool brings you. This tool was released during our spring launch with the goal of providing you with easy to use software to configure and manage your IoT end devices which use LoRaWAN. WisToolBox is constantly being improved, and this latest version includes new features such as adding the functionality in the mobile version to manage and configure the sensor hub using BLE and NFC. It now supports connecting some non-RUI-free rack devices and allows you to update the device to the latest RUI-free version and configure it using AT commands. You can send AT commands to your device, and now in addition to the command library, WisToolBox also supports your custom AT commands. Other functional features are synchronization of individual templates and custom firmware using RAKid. Bind network commands in one click without waiting for a list of commands to be applied. And now you can also connect non-RAK IoT modules and use the console terminal to configure or verify their operation. We have finished a beta testing program with the RAKstars to improve this application according to your needs. We will communicate changes and improvements for all of these and other SW tools on our social networks. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Discord and YouTube. Visit our official documentation page and subscribe to our newsletter so you don't miss out on the latest details.